Did you know that Elon Musk is the founder of Tesla, Neuralink, SpaceX, and The Boring Company? Yes, Elon is the CEO of Tesla and currently leading all the global leading projects of the company. He is managing the global manufacturing of electric cars, designs, engineering, solar energy, and other battery products. In 2003, Tesla started working with a significant mission of speeding up the process to generate sustainable energy in the world. Besides that, Tesla has been essentially working for 3 energy storage products for utility-scale installations like Powerpack commercial-scale battery, Megapack, and Powerwall home battery. After becoming the leading vertically integrated sustainable energy company to offer solar power systems throughout the United States of America, Tesla inaugurated the solar roof in 2017. There is no doubt that Elon Musk is the person behind incredibly exciting businesses of the world. While he is working on his SpaceX mission to Mars, Tesla is on the move to produce high-speed electric cars. His work does not end here, though. He is working on Hyperloop to transform the face of public transport, and The Boring Company is on the mission to discover innovative ways to dig tunnels. What do you think? Which one is the most effective product to change the world? Well, we believe the Tesla battery business will bring a quick and effective change in changing the world. Elon Musk has been working on Tesla's NANOTECH battery project for quite some time now. Do you know Tesla's NANOTECH battery will be worth trillions? In this video, we are bringing a little bit of background information and a lot more about the NANOTECH battery project of Tesla. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe for more exciting content. Let's get started. While working on the NANOTECH battery project, Elon Musk predicted that the Battery Day is going to be an exciting event for Tesla. Recently, Tesla inaugurated a public page for people to sign up for attending the event personally. Later, Tesla revealed exciting yet quite strange news concerning the background of the project. In this video, we will disclose the subtle background of the breathtaking NANOTECH battery of Tesla on Battery Day. It will be interesting for you to know that Fred Lambert conducted through research on the background of the Tesla battery and discovered fascinating results. The images resembled a lot like the silicone nanowires, which is a high-potential battery technology in enhancing the work performance of the primary developer of this technology. Amperius is right next to Tesla's foremost building with a testing production line to manufacture its new battery. While we have not witnessed any connections between Amperius and Tesla, a strong companionship between the two companies will be very logical, knowing the background of the sign-up page for Tesla's Battery Day. The NANOTECH battery of Tesla has incredible importance for many reasons. While Ampere is disclosing its silicon battery technology, there is a strong claim about the slow technology evolution of batteries. In the past 10 years, we have witnessed a massive improvement of almost 15 times in the processors and the hard disk, increasing its capacity over 8 times. However, the density of the battery remains the same and barely improved only by 2 times. Altogether, these are the fundamental reasons for not witnessing a breakthrough for batteries. In the past few years, lithium-ion batteries have a significant place for energy storage. However, Amperius proclaimed them for reaching their maximum limit. While there has been massive development in electronics, the credit goes to the consistent improvements in manufacturing technology. Therefore, batteries should go through the same process of exchanging and switching up the major chemistry of manufacturing. The lack of storage and anode capacity is the significant reason for the lithium-ion batteries to reach the limited energy density point. Let me show you a quick overview of this. Do you know that anode and cathode are 2 sides of a battery? They function by charging and discharging energy by transmitting it to each other. The major problem with lithium-ion batteries is the lack of capacity in its anode, with stored carbon in the form of graphite. Moreover, these batteries can only store 350 mAh per gram. These batteries can offer enough energy for running various real-world applications. However, they are not enough to offer the transition from fossil fuels to batteries. Consequently, the silicon-based batteries have anodes with 10 times higher storage capacity. That is much more than the anodes of lithium-ion batteries. These batteries offer higher capacity than the carbon-filled anodes. As you might be wondering, why don't they release a silicon-based battery then? We got the answer for you here right now. Despite having more storage capacity than the lithium-ion battery, Silicone batteries are not commonly used because of the instant heating effect of the battery. Yes, the silicone battery instantly heats up while charging. This is where the effectiveness of the nanowire technology comes to the rescue. Nano is recognized as the factor of 10, where the power compromises a -9 that is usually taken up as a 0. In 2007, the lessening out of silicone anode was extremely small, around 1,000 times smaller than the normal thickness of a piece of paper. While the Stanford researchers worked hard to prevent this anode from further swelling and breaking down. Later, Amprius created this technology for commercial utilization while continuously improving the silicone nanowire for a couple of years. Many disclose this as the top development in the commercial sector because of the promising results of Amprius nano batteries. The significant reason is the higher connectivity and conductivity power of the compromised battery system. While this battery has no tabs, it reduces the charging rate substantially, along with improving the overall performance. Secondly, the lifetime durability of the battery represents an excellent life cycle. That is exactly what Elon gave a hint about, having a million-mile battery with increased battery life. Apart from supporting durable robo-taxis and cyber trucks, Elon Musk visualizes to be extremely helpful in long-lasting future vehicles. When he unveiled the Cybertruck, the groundbreaking ideal in design left people around the world stunned. The most revolutionary part of the Cybertruck is having a hard stainless steel material that will last for decades to come. You can imagine a Cybertruck staying the same and brand new for the next few decades. The same goes for the battery in electric cars to last a lifetime, along with maximum driving range. Many of you are probably thinking about the energy density right now. This battery will be highly beneficial in offering the highest energy density in the world. This battery is ready to revolutionize the world because the batteries are set to 500 watt-hours per kilogram that are higher than any other battery out there right now. Now, let me explain this in a little more practical way. Think about your cell phone with double its original capacity. It might be difficult to imagine because we have never seen nor imagined anything like this before. We don't need to have 700 miles of charge to run an electric car daily because we only travel between 50 to 200 miles within a day. However, this will help Tesla in shrinking up the size of its battery while offering 300 to 400 miles. This will automatically lower the actual cost of the battery. Considering all these facts, it's extremely difficult for Tesla to ignore the significance of this battery when it's only a few steps away from becoming the foremost factory of this battery. After covering the electrifying significance of this battery, it's time to briefly analyze the potential applications of the NANOTECH battery. This battery will offer maximum support to the electric drone, vehicles, aircraft, and even satellites. The drones will get instant charging from Amprius battery, experience along with increasing the flying time of it. Most importantly, satellites will become a significant part of amphibious technology. The company is determined to enhance the potential not only for all satellites, but Amphis, watch out the pseudo-satellites right now. It will surely increase the lifetime of battery and density at higher altitudes. The pseudo-satellites become high-flying drones attached with solar panels. These satellites are capable of flying for months by taking advantage of the wind. While there is no obvious confirmation of partnership between Tesla and Amprius, they have surely given some hints about it. For instance, Amprius completed the manufacturing of its higher volume anode in 2016. Later, Tesla started working on the leading producer of it to become the principal manufacturing factory. Another obvious hint of their partnership is being located right next to each other. It just makes sense. While Tesla is at 901 Page Avenue in Fremont, California, the Amprius is at the 1180 Page Avenue. These two buildings located right next to each other cannot be a coincidence. This is another sign of their potential partnership. Finally, yet importantly, Tesla hired a manager for running the engineering operations from Amprius around a year ago. While Yi Chao was working as an amphibious for the past 8 years, he joined Tesla a year ago to start working as a manager. Still, this is not the important part. Chao was working for Tesla, but he gave a LinkedIn recommendation to his former employee and discussed the management of critical projects in the future. Later, the manager was mentioned taking a leading role in the management of the pilot production unit and offering a bridge between the front and back end. While the production line is currently working to develop the battery of Amprius further, advanced qualification for a higher volume of the anode is needed. Whatever happened, Yi Lei is making engineering functions in the pilot production line at Tesla, which could be an obvious sign of an ongoing partnership between Tesla and Amprius. Remember, Eli said all these things before 3 months of leaking the pilot production line while working at Tesla. This could be exactly what we all have been looking for. This might not be the exact confirmation of their partnership, but we all know that Tesla is working on this big project of nanotech battery with Amprius, and it's worth trillions. Elon Musk is highly ambitious about creating revolutionary history, along with making billions of dollars. He is the reason that people are ditching over petrol and old diesel cars. Most importantly, he is determined to leave a positive impact concerning climate change. The development of nanotech batteries with rapid switch to electric cars is the future of renewable energy. So, that's it for today's video. We are done with today's topic. What do you think about the nanotech battery of Tesla? Let us know in the comment section below. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. Thank you!